Hi guys, welcome to 720 Holdings YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys on how we normally install our curtain rods. First, you make sure that you arrange your things into order, and the second thing you need to do is make sure that everything is organized, and also before you start your installation process, measure the distance from the wall and the window where you want to place your brackets 8 inches away from the window. Make a mark on where you want to place your bracket. You drill a hole at the marked point. Drilling, make sure that there is no electric cables passing through for safety purposes. And also you ensure that the place you're drilling, there's no water pipe passing through. You'll need to place the plug, the drill hole, followed by the screw. Place the screw halfway into the drill hole. Place your brackets in the screws and then fix them tightly to the wall. Hey, I hope you're happy with the results. Also, it's advised if your curtain rod is more than 90 inches long, you need to add a third bracket in the middle for an extra support. Also, it's good to check if your rod is straight, that has no bend. You can use a laser or a level for the seam. Yay, and that's how our rod looks like. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, leave a comment. See you next time. Bye.